Okay, let's say I have an object like this, a simple cylinder, and along the way I have rotated. I have something like this. And for whatever reason, I want to reset this rotation. So it's not as simple as in Blender where you can simply press Alt R if you haven't applied the rotation, of course. But nevertheless, there is a workaround. So select the cylinder, press R, and then F for freestyle. Look for any kind of snapping point. Click. Then click to the second snapping point. And then you can start to rotate until it is straight. Press OK, and you do the same thing from the other perspective. Press R, F for freestyle. First snapping point, second snapping point, and then start rotating until it snaps. And there you go. Now you have again a straight cylinder. So what do you do if you have a more complicated object? Let's say something like this. This is a cartoon hand, obviously, which I have done a while ago. So let's rotate this guy, or a duplicate of this one, so we can check later on. I will deactivate this one and rotate this one. So you see that this is pretty rotated. I will again deactivate it. Here is again a workaround required. In this case, you can try to select a face, a big face, a dominant face of your model, duplicate it, and Alt-T for untrim. So you have again the original shape of that face. So in this case, it was an elliptical sphere. And then you can try to make a similar thing as we have done in the cylinder at the beginning. In solid mode, select both solids, then press R, F, and again look for a snapping point. Here, first snapping point. And if you can't find a second snapping point, you can eyeball and then again rotate. Okay, and do the same from the top. R, F, look for a snapping point. And I'm still not pleased with this one, so R, F. So that's what we have so far. And if we compare it to the original model, I think that's an acceptable result. What do you think? Write it in the comments, and if you have better solutions, please let me know in the comments. So maybe I can do a video on that one, on better methods, so we can learn from each other. Peace!